In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Watchlist to Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll have your symbols neatly loaded so you can track them without typing everything by hand. First, prepare your list of symbols. Make sure you already have your tickers in a simple CSV or plain text file with just the symbols and nothing else. Keep it clean. No headers, prices, or extra columns. A straightforward list works best, such as one symbol per line or a comma-separated list. If you plan to paste from the clipboard, copy that list now so it's ready. A quick tip here. Remove any stray spaces or special characters and double-check that each ticker is valid. The cleaner the list, the smoother the import will be. Next, open your watch list in Thinkorswim. Go to the Market Watch tab and select Quotes. If you already have a watch list pane visible somewhere in your layout, you can use that instead. Either way works. Now look at the title bar of the watch list panel. On the right side, you'll see an icon with 3 bars. Click that to open the menu. Choose Create Watchlist if you want to make a brand new list, or select an existing watchlist if you want to add symbols to one you already use. Picking the right destination up front helps keep your workspace organized. When the watchlist dialog opens, click Import near the bottom of the window. This is where you decide how to bring in your symbols. You'll see a choice to load from either paste symbols from clipboard or select file. If you copied your tickers earlier, choose the clipboard option, and they should load automatically. If you saved a CSV or text file, choose Select File, then browse to the location of your file and open it. You should see your symbols populate in the preview box. Take a moment to scan the list for obvious typos or blank lines. If something looks off, it usually means there's extra formatting in the source file or the text wasn't copied cleanly. Keeping the list to plain text with just symbols avoids most issues. Once everything looks correct, click OK and then click Save to finish. Your watch list will update with the imported symbols, ready for you to monitor, sort, and analyze as you normally would. That's it. Prepare a clean list, open your watch list, use the Import button, choose Clipboard or File, review the preview, then OK and save. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a faster way to build your watch lists in Thinkorswim.